A Garmin watch charger ensures reliable power, maintains battery health, and keeps your device ready for fitness tracking and daily use. My today's video is about top 5 best Garmin watch charger that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Swan Scout Garmin watch charger. The Swan Scout 505 GM charging stand is a thoughtfully engineered solution for Garmin smartwatch users, combining efficiency, durability, and ergonomic design in a compact form. Its sleek vertical build saves space while fitting seamlessly into both home and office setups. Delivering up to 3W output, it charges devices like the Garmin Forerunner 245 impressively fast, reaching full capacity in under an hour. Ideal for users with active routines. The 90 degrees swivel functionality ensures compatibility with various port placements, while the adjustable 0 to 45 degrees tilt enhances usability by allowing comfortable viewing during charging. What truly elevates this charger is its upgraded palladium alloy pins, offering superior resistance to rust and wear for long-term reliability. Additionally, the weighted anti-tipping base ensures stability, preventing accidental slips. Although it lacks data transfer support, its focused performance as a durable, efficient charging stand makes it a dependable everyday accessory. Now our second product is Yuan Hot Garmin Watch Charger. This Garmin replacement charging cable and adapter kit stands out as a highly versatile and travel-friendly solution for users with multiple smartwatch models. Its wide compatibility across popular Garmin series, including Fenix, Forerunner, Venu, and Vivoactive, makes it a practical all-in-one option, eliminating the need for multiple chargers. The inclusion of 2 USB-C adapters is especially useful, allowing you to conveniently share your phone's USB-C cable for charging on the go. Performance-wise, it supports both charging and data syncing, adding extra functionality beyond basic power delivery. Built with quality materials and a smart chip configuration, it ensures safe, stable charging with protection against overvoltage and overcurrent, which helps preserve device longevity. The 3.3-foot cable offers a comfortable length for everyday use, whether at home or while traveling. Overall, it's a reliable, flexible accessory that delivers convenience and dependable performance for Garmin users. Our third product is Isogno Garmin Watch Charger. This USB-C to Garmin charging port adapter kit is a smart, minimalist solution for users who want to simplify their charging setup without carrying extra cables. By converting any USB-C cable into a Garmin-compatible charger, it adds excellent convenience, especially for travel or daily portability. Its wide compatibility across popular models like Fenix, Forerunner, Venu, and Vivoactive ensures it suits most users, though the exclusion of Instinct 2X Solar is worth noting. The aluminum alloy construction gives it a premium, durable feel, while the included chain attachment enhances portability by letting you clip it to a keychain or cable. The 3-adapter bundle, featuring 2 90-degree options and 1 straight connector, adds flexibility for different charging angles and scenarios. Performance is reliable for everyday charging needs, and the 1-year support coverage provides added peace of mind. Overall, it's a compact, versatile accessory that prioritizes convenience and durability. Now number 4, Rendono Garmin Watch Charger. The USB-C to Garmin Adapter 4-pack is a highly versatile and practical accessory designed for Garmin smartwatch users seeking convenience and reliability. Its combination of right-angled and straight connectors allows multi-directional charging, adapting effortlessly to different setups at home, office, or on the go. Constructed from durable aluminum alloy, each adapter is paired with a compact keychain lanyard, ensuring portability and reducing the risk of misplacement. With broad compatibility spanning Garmin Fenix, Forerunner, Vivoactive, Venu, Epix Pro, Instinct, and Approach series, it meets the charging and data transfer needs of nearly any Garmin device. The plug-and-play design ensures seamless charging and data syncing without additional cables, enhancing efficiency for everyday use. Included in the package are 4 adapters and keychains, backed by a worry-free lifetime warranty, making this set an ideal durable, and travel-ready solution for maintaining both power and data connectivity across multiple Garmin watches. And our last choice is Ruxley Garmin Watch Charger. The Garmin smartwatch charging dock with upgraded groove design is a thoughtfully engineered accessory that combines functionality, durability, and travel convenience. Its deeper and wider grooves accommodate 5th-gen sensors perfectly, preventing jamming or misalignment issues caused by larger sensor diameters, with size options tailored to cases above or below 47 millimeters. The 3D anti-slip rib texture ensures a secure grip, allowing safe attachment and removal even with wet or sweaty hands, minimizing the risk of drops or connector damage. Designed for travel efficiency, it works seamlessly with existing USB-C cables, eliminating tangled wires and extra gear. Beyond convenience, it delivers fast, reliable charging while supporting stable data syncing when paired with a compatible USB-C cable. Crafted from premium zinc alloy, the dock offers robust protection against scratches and wear, making it both a practical and long-lasting solution. Overall, it's a durable, secure, and travel-ready charging solution for Garmin watch owners. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.